Hi, today I'm standing in front of 1654 McClurg Street in Frankfort, Indiana. This nice 2-bedroom bungalow has been completely redone. It's got nice curb appeal. The siding is newer and the roof is brand new. Hi, it's Bob with Top Choice Real Estate and the Living in Indiana team bringing you the word on the street, talking Indiana real estate. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. This house is just practically new. You've got new flooring throughout, luxury vinyl plank in the living room and kitchen. You've got carpet in the bedrooms, totally new drywall and paint. It's the living room we're standing in here. Got a barn door here into the bedroom. Nicely done. Archway adds a little class to it. I like those. So if you're considering moving here, you're going to want to pick up our relocation guide. It's free and there's no obligation. My staff and I have prepared the ultimate relocation guide and you can get your copy below. Okay, we're into the kitchen. It's been completely redone as well. Got stainless steel appliances side by side. Whirlpool refrigerator with an ice maker, dishwasher, and gas range. Got new countertop and cabinets. You've also got a new microwave there. I'm sorry, forgot that. In room for a 4-top in the corner. Another barn door and archway, and you're into the second bedroom. Good size, easily fit a queen bed. Got newer windows there throughout the house as well. Okay, we come back here into the mudroom. Got lots of space for laundry. New electrical panel, another sliding barn door. Got a newer furnace and newer tankless water heater. Then outside you've got a new air conditioner. Got a brand new bathroom. Everything's new in here. Nice standing shower. Upgraded vanity. We're talking about living in Indiana and I apologize for breaking in, but maybe you can do me a favor. If you like this video or found this content helpful to your cause, then hit the subscribe button, like right now. There's no cost or obligation, there's only benefit. I work harder to make good things happen. Okay, back to the show. Let's take a look what we have out back. You've got a 1.5 car garage, pretty decent backyard. And you have access to the garage off the alley and back. More look at the kitchen. Okay, the ticket on this one is just $159. If you'd like to take a tour of it, just give me a quick call or text. Once again, it's Bob at Top Choice Real Estate. You make it a great day now. If you're considering relocating to the Greater Indianapolis area or moving anywhere within central Indiana, be sure to tune in every week to learn all there is to know about real estate and living in Indiana. Whether you're buying or selling, please keep in mind, I work harder to make good things happen. Hey, make it a great day now. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this next clip right now.